Here's an example of a main method. Notice the signature. I've defined this as a public static void main. Now the public keyword, that's specifying the accessibility level of this method. Since this is in a public class called starter, that means this method would be publicly available wherever the class is instantiable. Static and void have special meanings that we'll talk about a little bit later. Void basically refers to the data type. In this particular case, the main method does not actually return a value, so the data type is marked void. Static refers to its level of access with or without instantiation. We'll see this here in a few minutes. Now remember that one of the things that we generally do inside the main method is to declare variables and to create instances of other classes. So what I've done here in this example is I've created a variable called x, and x is defined as a double data type. Well, what I've done with the variable x is I've called another method of this same class. I've called a method called squareMe. And we'll look more deeply at this method here in a few minutes. But what I want you to see here is basically the kinds of activities that we're doing inside the main method. Calling methods, creating instances of classes, and this is also where I'm interacting with my console in the console application, doing my write line operations.